So I'm just continuing with pillar number two. It is important that you, as a group of Abatemu who have applied to become a traditional community recognized, you must know the issues regarding land. And those issues are not, you are not going to find them on the internet. You are going to find issues relating to land and how do we or how should we as Abatemu deal with land issues. And we must practice those things. Now, all those details, you will find them in the book called The Code of Abatemu Law. The Code of Abatemu Law is an all-inclusive book, or it's a one-size-fits-all. It explains all the aspects of life, especially traditional aspects that we need to know, traditional aspects that we need to honor and to respect. So, with those few words, I then conclude pillar number two, which is the return of the land that we desire. Thank you. God bless you. I will move now to pillar number three, which is socio-economic development.